See, what was the question given here? Y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square, where x is from where x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Then we need to find where x is not equal to 0, right? And we need to find dy by dx. For proving this one, if you do directly, what you need to do? So let me write the question here. We are having y, which is what? Which is tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. I have simply written. So if you think about this, what I will suggest you is directly we can't solve this. Why? Because we know that tan inverse, we don't know first, sorry, we can apply tan inverse of x derivative, but it will be lengthy. Inside we need to apply u by v, which is with the roots, right? First of all, what I will suggest you, whenever if you see any function in terms of trigonometries, I'll ask you to solve this in terms of some simplest format. But if you check outside, we are having tan inverse. So if you solve this in terms of tan of something means, then it will be helpful for you. Is it okay? So for making this in terms of tan, what I will do, I'll take one small substitution. What was that substitution is, let x is equals to what? Simply take x is equals to, instead of x we will take x square. X square is equals to cos 2 theta. Is it okay? If I take this one, let us see what it will be. We will be having y is equals to tan inverse of root of, what is 1 plus cos x square? X square means 1 plus cos 2 theta minus, this will be root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Agree? By denominator will be same, root of 1 plus, this is cos 2 theta minus root of, I think numerator should be plus. Why? Because both should not be same. Which 1 minus, this is cos 2 theta. Is it okay? Yes. So what should we do? If you remember exactly, we have a cos 2 theta formula. What is cos 2 theta? Two formulas we have. One is cos square theta minus 1. I can simply rewrite this as what? 2 cos square theta. Send 1 to this side, which is 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is one formula I'll be applying now. And we have one more formula for cos. There are many formulas. I'll take the which is necessary. What is cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So send sine square to the other side. What it will be? 2 sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Agree? So try to note this 4 formulas. It will be very helpful for you. I'll be applying the same formulas in our case also. Is it okay? So if I substitute y is equals to, this is nothing but tan inverse of, what is root of 1 plus cos 2 theta? This is 2 into cos square theta. Let me write it down. So this will be square root of 2 into cos square theta plus root of 1 minus cos means what? This formula, which is 2 into sine square theta. In the same way, I'll be applying for the denominator, which is nothing but 1 plus means what? 2 into cos square theta minus 1 minus means what? This will be 2 into sine square theta. I think you got up to this point. I think so. If you feel like, if you have any doubts, you just let me know. Is it okay? Now let us continue. What I can say, y is equals to, let me write this simply, this is tan inverse of root 2. I can split. We already know what is this, root ab. Actually I can write it as root a into root b whenever if a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0, right? The same thing I will be applying in this case. This will be, I can write it as root 2 into cos the square root, both will cancel, I'll be getting cos theta. Plus this is also root 2 into square and sine root, for the sine, square and root will be cancelled, we'll be getting sine theta by, what about the denominator? That is also same. Root 2 into, this will be cos theta minus, again it will be root 2 into sine theta. Is it okay? Yeah. I think after this step it will be very easy for you. So what I can say is, simply from both of the terms, what I will do, I'll take root 2. Root 2 common in the numerator and denominator. I can remove it. Is it okay? Root 2, take it out, root 2. What will be getting? We'll be getting cos theta plus sine theta. If I take root 2 common, okay, let me write it down for your sake. And if I cancel, it will be easy. This is cos theta minus sine theta. Is it okay? Yeah. So I'll be cancelling this 2. From this, what I can say that y is equals to, this is simply tan inverse of, if I get tan of something means it will be very helpful for me. So for making tan, I'll be taking cos outside. If you remember, I have already discussed in many problems. Let me tell you again here. If you want to take common a from both of the terms, here we don't have a. But if I take a common, that will be what? Always, if it is not there, comes in the denominator. Is it okay? Yes. If you ask y means, let me multiply inside a. If I multiply inside a, b by a, so I can simply cancel a, I'll be getting a plus b, which is nothing but our question. Is it okay? So try to remember this as a formula or just simply a notation. Okay. So if I take cos theta, I can take 1 plus right side term first. We don't have cos, so it will comes in the denominator, so that is cos theta. Same thing I'll be applying for the denominator also. Take cos theta common, first term it will be 1 minus second term you don't have cos, but it will comes in the denominator as I said for this one. Is it okay? After this step, what we can say, we can simply remove cos on both the sides, numerator and denominator, not both the sides. So this is nothing but tan inverse of 1 plus sin by cos will be, we already know that will be tan theta by 1 minus sin by cos will be what? It will be a tan. Is it okay? Yeah. If you check this properly, this is in which format? We have a formula 1 minus, okay. So 1 can I write it as pi by 4? Let me write 1 into tan theta, I'll be writing like this. Is it okay? We know that what is tan pi by 4? We know tan pi by 4 will be always 1. I'll be applying the same formula in this case here. So what I'll be telling here is, this is nothing but tan inverse of 1. I'll be writing as a tan pi by 4 plus this will be tan x by, again 1 minus 1, I'll be writing it as a tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Is it okay? Not x, it should be theta. Are you getting my point here? Simply I have replaced one value. So if you look into this problem, you have seen somewhere, I think you got some idea. See, we have a formula. What is this? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. What is this formula? This is simply nothing but tan of A plus B. This formula we already know. I'll be applying the same formula here. This is nothing but tan inverse of, I can say tan of A. A is what? Pi by 4 plus B. B is what? Here we are having theta. Let me take it as a theta. Any doubts up to here? Yes. So what should we do? How? See, simply I can't remove tan inverse of tan theta is theta. There is some specific conditions here. Let us see what is the range, what is the domain of a theta here. For to make it as a theta, we need to check about the question. What is the question here? X. They said x lies. Just let me know. Huh? They said that x lies between what? X lies between minus 1 to 1. What is theta? X square is equals to cos 2 theta. Na? If I do x square, we can say that it lies between what? 0 to 1. So what we want, x square is equals to, in place of x square, I can simply replace what? Cos 2 theta. So 0 less than, this will be cos 2 theta, which is less than 1. Are you getting my point? Because I have taken the substitution, x square is equals to cos 2 theta. Is it okay? Yeah. So now let us continue. If I, what I want the, what will happen to pi by 4 plus theta for this. Okay. So let me do it. So what I need to do, I have to remove the cos on both the sides. If I remove, what it will be? This will be cos inverse of 0 less than, this is 2 theta, which is less than cos inverse of 1. Cos inverse of 0 will be where? It will be 90. Is it okay? Yes. So from this, what I can say? See, cos inverse of 0 will be 90. Yeah, we can, but cos is a decreasing. That is what I need to tell you. We can say that from 0 to pi, cos will be what? It is a decreasing function. Is it okay? So in this case, we can say that this will be what? Cos 0 will be 1. So I can take 0 here because this is a decreasing function, I can tell you, which is nothing but pi by 2. Remember, cos is a decreasing function. I will be applying here from where? From 0 to 90, because if you check the cos graph, cos 0 will be what? 1. Cos 90 will be what? 1. It is a decreasing function. Whenever if you have a decreasing function, we need to change the sign here. Is it okay? There is a sign change. Are you getting my point here? This is what crucial step it is. So what is 2 theta? We want 2 theta? No, we want pi by 4 plus theta. So what should we do? We have to divide by 2. So if I divide by 2, 0 less than theta, which is less than pi. Divide by 2 means what? 2 2s are 4. I'll be getting what I want. I want pi by 4. So let us add pi by 4 on both the sides. Pi by 4, this is theta plus pi by 4. Pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4 will be what? It will be pi by 2. So they are telling that tan inverse of tan theta will be theta when theta lies between, what is the formula here? Minus 90 to positive 90. But here they are talking about pi by 4. Is it okay? It will work. We have the formula tan inverse of tan theta will be theta when theta lies between minus 90 to positive 90. This is what we'll be knowing, right? So they are telling inside part, this whole thing is theta na? So this inside part is lies between what? This is 45, this will be 90. Obviously it will be there in this interval. So what I can conclude? I can conclude that this will be pi by 4 plus theta. Is it okay? This is what? This is our y. What happened to theta here? You need to replace our theta, right? Let me calculate that also. If you take x square is equals to cos 2 theta, what happened to cos here? I can send the cos to the other side. Cos inverse of x square is equals to 2 theta. If you send that also, this will be 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x square. It will be theta alone. This is the calculation part. I have to do it. Is it okay? So from this, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting y is equals to pi by 4 plus theta. What is theta? Theta is nothing but 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x square. This is our y bit. Is it okay? See, remember, try to, whatever the things I'll be doing on the rightmost corner, it will be what? It will be a calculation part for your understanding sake. This one, it should be here only, related to this only, right? So what we got? We got y value. So what should we do? We need to differentiate this function. So what it will be? Y dash is equals to constant derivative will be 0 plus 1 by 2 will be outside. We know that cos inverse of x derivative will be what? So here in place of x square we will take capital X. Is it okay? Cos inverse of x derivative will be minus 1 by root of 1 minus capital X means what? Small x the whole square into, we need to apply the derivative part for the what I have taken it as a capital X. Is it okay? So from this what I can say, y dash must be equals to minus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square whole square means x power 4. X square derivative will be what? 2x. Is it okay? We can cancel 2 here. From this finally I'll be getting y dash will be what? Minus x by root of 1 minus x power 4. Is it okay? This is the final answer for finding the derivative of this function. Agree? So try to look into it. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. Okay. Thank you. All the best.